ASMS International Science Fair. The International Science Fair is an ASMS tradition. It is a week where schools from around the world congregate at the ASMS and participate in challenges set by the ASMS staff. At the end of the week, the visiting students present their findings from a project they have completed, like the research project, to a panel of teachers from the ASMS and visiting schools. Some students from the ASMS and other schools that came for the presentation of their work went on camps during this week. These camps ran as an alternative to the challenges of the ASMS for the students. I decided that I would like to stay at the ASMS and participate in the challenges. I decided that I would like to do the flying high challenge, but I was not selected and my second choice was robotics, so I was chosen for robotics. The challenges that were offered by the school were robotics, 3D design, flying high, green building, world's fastest model car challenge, space survival, pandemic, future effects, and venture dawn. These challenges were produced to give an experience of future career paths. For example, robotics was a programming experience and the 3D design challenge was an engineering experience. These challenges all had goals, and in some of them there were prizes for winners. In the robotics challenge, the goal was to get a robot to follow a line and then sense a box, take a picture, turn around, and follow the line back to the beginning. The first step was to build a robot that was fast and maneuverable, so that it could navigate around the curves with ease and do it quickly enough so that we could win. Me and my group decided that we would find an instruction manual that taught us how to build the robot, and then we would tweak it so that we could increase speed and maneuverability. The first day, we built a robot, and then we started to learn how to program it, to follow the line using a simple program. We took a lesson learning how to program. Then, once we'd got the hang of it, the process was trial and error from then on to make the robot work. The next day, Ahmed, one of my group members, decided that we should build a better robot and destroyed the one we already had. This set us back another day, and we took a while working out how we could rebuild it so that it would be better, and this process was also trial and error. It took us about 3 prototypes before we had a robot that we were happy to use. After this, we had to start working on the program again, and start to get the program to make the robot do what we wanted it to. On the Thursday, we were finally ready to record a time. We set up our robot and got it ready to run the track, and then it was off, and it was a lot slower than the others, but it did the track, and we recorded a time of 60 seconds. We didn't come anywhere near close to the record, but it felt good to have achieved the goal and complete the course. Here's a video of our robot doing the track.